Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric lock screen password that you have set in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. So while unlocking, it will ask your current password. So my current password here is Mingy7. Mingy7. Okay. Click on the tick mark. And after unlocking into your phone, you can change your password. Go to the settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen, and here select screen lock and biometrics, and once again it will ask your current password to confirm. Okay, so give what password you have set in your phone. Here in my phone, Mingy7 is the password, and click on continue. Now you have to click on the password again here and set new password. So here I would like to set new password as Jicky25. Jicky25. You can set your own text. Okay, minimum 1 letter should be used and minimum 4 characters should be used. Here I have used 2 letters and 5 characters. Okay, and click on continue. Again you go to type the same password to verify, to confirm. Okay, so I just type Jicky25 again. Yes, type it and click on OK. And now the Jicky25 will be the current password for my phone. So in this way you can easily change password for your phone too. Okay, so I have locked my phone and try to unlock my phone. While unlocking, it is asking the password. Now I have to give the new password, that is Jicky. Don't forget this password. Okay, Jicky25. Jicky25. Click on the tick mark. Yes, it is unlocked. So in this way, you can easily change from one password to another password whenever you require. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.